How to configure the IP address to the router interface. Click router. Once you click the router, you will find the iOS. Here in the dialog box, type no and press enter. You will give the enable command to go to the privilege mode.
Now type configure terminal, press enter. Now I add the IP address to the interface of the router. Okay, so what are the interface attached to the router? We will see in the privilege mode. Okay, so show interface. You can see here gigabit ethernet 0 by 0. This is the interface on the router and is administratively down. LAN protocol is down because once configured it will come in the upstate. Okay, so again go to the global configuration mode by typing the configure terminal. Now go to the interface gigabit ethernet 0 by 0. I'm configuring this interface. Okay, now assign the ip address. You should give the same subnet IP what you are given to the laptop, but IP should be different, but subnet IP should be same. Like I have given the class A IP on the laptop, so you have to give the class A IP only. Okay, so 10.0.0.50 here I am giving. On the laptop I have given 10.0.0.1. Okay, but on the router I am giving 10.0.0.50. You can take the any number here except what you have given on the laptop. Okay, so 50 I'm taking, and subnet mask 255.0.0.0. press enter and type here no shutdown. Okay, once you type no shutdown and enter, the the interface status will be on the up state. Okay, see here interface gigabit ethernet 0 by 0, change state to up. So like that you can configure the
IP address to the router interface. So we will see we
we will
configure the
see
IP address to the
in the
interface is saved or
privilege
not.
mode
Tap the
the
command.
IP show interface, sorry, show running configuration. You can see here we have given the IP address to 0 by 0, that is IP address is 10.0.0.50 and subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Okay, so you can save this configuration by typing write command wr.
So you can see it is showing the building configuration, means it is showing the configuration what we did. Okay, so this is how we can configure the IP address to the router interface. So friends, if you find this video helpful, request you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.